Hey guys, it is Ed here. Today is Wednesday, December 13th, 2018. And this video today is about a little clever idea that I had on how to just rake in extra spending money all year long without having to lift a finger or really do much of anything other than stuff that you're already going to be doing on the internet every day anyways. Like watching videos and probably taking some surveys and doing some shopping. Let me get up and fix my camera real quick. Hold on 1 second. So there is one website that I use a lot actually to get money. You can get more than just gift cards. You can actually get PayPal cash as well. There are a lot of cool things. The longer you have it, the more you'll use it and like it and discover cool different things about it. And that is swagbucks.com. I'll pull it up right now. Alright. Now, one thing about Swagbucks, if you see right now, I've got videos playing. You see, watch 7 more videos. The videos aren't very long, but you get 2 pennies. That's a SB is the equivalent of 1 penny. So I have 76 cents at the moment. But if you want to look right here, you can see that just in the past month, I made $8,325. So that's $83.25. That's just extra money. You can do whatever you want to it. Now that's not really getting on it and trying. I have made over $80 in a day on my old Swagbucks account, but I am locked out of that one now. So what I want to try to do, since I do have a job and I've got the studio, but I want to be able to start from the beginning and explain everything to people so that way they don't go into this so confused. I mean, it's very hard to verbalize all the things you need to buy and need to do and get set up and understand just to get started in this process. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to not spend any of this money until I have enough money to start knocking stuff off of the list that you will find in the description. Basically, I put every piece of my studio, with the exception of my guitars, in the description for this video. So when you get done, you can see how much this is all going to cost. And you see in my ledger, it's actually, I'll have to move my picture just a second. See right here? That is 76 cents that I have. So, we're going to go back to watch. Now, to watch, all you have to do is literally just pick a topic and click watch. You can earn up to $5 a day doing that, but you have to kind of be ready for the videos to switch, or you'll never maximize that output. But that's not the quickest way to make money on Swagbucks, or the easiest. You've also got, here's your categories. You've got home, home, shop, which is discounts on things that you are already going to buy, and other things that you didn't even know existed that's really cool that you would not find anywhere else other than Swagbucks most likely. You got watch, obviously, you know what that is. Answer, this is the quickest and most efficient way to make SB. For instance, right here, 5-minute survey. There's 50 SB, that's 50 cents. Can't take a survey on the screen right now because it's giving away trade secrets, but they usually do not take as much time as they say they're going to. It's usually about half. So, but let's go light on this one. Let's say for the next year we're going to spend no more than 20 minutes on Swagbucks, and we're going to try to make $3 to $5 per day. So let's do some math here. From Swagbucks alone, let's round it and say 4. We'll go to calculator. All right. $365 times 4. That's $1,460. in 365 days. Now that is just through swagbucks. And like I said, you can do more. You can really lock down and do these surveys and watch videos and do surveys all day. I mean, you can make anywhere. You can make $100 or more really if you spend 8 or more hours doing it. All right, and here is the other thing. This is going to be a little harder for me to show you. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this video, and we'll go ahead and blow my screen up a little bit. Therefore be so. There we go. I'm bigger now. All right, and then you've got 2 apps. And if you have an Android, then you're in luck. And you're always in luck because you're an Android owner. Or if you have an iPhone, there's one of those typical iPhone problems that iPhone has no interest in you saving, keeping, or making money. They want all your shit. Fuck Apple, fuck iPhone. Hold on. Fuck Apple, fuck iPhone. So, now you've got, these are all guaranteed. If I'm lying, I'm dying, okay? Alright, then you have the S'more app. All you have to do is install. Okay, all you have to do is install. Once it's installed, it runs in the background, okay? I don't know how you can see that. Let me put a couple lights down. Hold on a second. There. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you can see that now. Alright. And you see that? It says I have 70 points. Okay, that's 70 cents. Now, every time I reach $1, see right here, look real closely to that. All you need is $1 to redeem it. So every 10 days, that's an extra $1. So we'll be doing that 36 times. Add that to that. So that's $1,500. It's $5 shy of $1,500 that you're making just with that one website and that one app. And here is your other app. Now these are just getting people started. See how easy it is to just make extra money. This is not going to pay your bills. This is not going to fix your financial woes. What it will do is enable you to buy things you want without the consequence of not having money saved up for yourself. That's why I'm doing this with gift cards. If I use this all for gift cards, guess what I can't do if I've got cash or gift cards in my pocket? I can't take an Amazon gift card to Walmart. I can't take an Amazon gift card to Taco Bell. I've got to use it on Amazon. So it's just going to help me save. And here's the other app for now. This is called Mobile Performance Meter. Alright, now if you look here, that's $2 now. Hold on 1 second. Hopefully you see that. It's $3.20. Now to redeem a Mobile Performance Meter, you have to have a $1.50. Excuse me, 150 meter points, which is the equivalent of $1.50 to withdraw $1 in your Amazon account. So on this one, it is better to wait up. If you wait up and let it build to 5, if you let it go up to 500 meter points, then it's even $5. Nothing got lost. So guys, that's really simple ways to make some passive income and make you almost, you know, if you were to round it up, I mean, damn near $2,000 extra for you to do nothing with but enjoy for yourself, because it is just extra. Just think about it. Just think about it. At the end of every year, what if after Christmas was over, somebody walked up to you and just handed you $2,000? That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? That's what I thought. So stay tuned for more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. I don't know where the buttons are at. They're somewhere. I'm just waving my hands around, so that you're getting entertained somehow. All the links for all of the products that I use in my studio, including most of the software that is not free. A lot of the stuff I use is free. And that's another thing we're going to be getting to in a couple more videos. But all the links are there for the ones that you need to buy. All the hardware links are there. And at the bottom there will be the swagbucks link for the website. There will be the mobile performance meter link for the app, and the S'more app link. Now I will be sending referral codes with those three things. Please use my referral code, because if you use my referral code, I get 10% of what you earn in the future. Not out of your pocket, they just match it for me introducing you. And that is also how I'm going to keep up with how many weeks straight you've been using the app. Because at the end of 365 days, mark my words, December 13th, 2019, I'm going to have a big contest giveaway. And the winner of the contest, whoever shows me they went a full 365 days using 2 or more of these things. Let's just say you don't have a home PC, but you can do swagbucks from your phone too. So, but if you were only going to pick 1 or 2, number 1, start with swagbucks. Swagbucks is going to earn you the most every time. Then I would get the S'more app. Mobile performance meter would be number 3. They're all legit. They all work. If you go on swagbucks and you decide to do surveys, it's a great way to make money. Do not rush through them. Be careful. They have checks and measures to make sure you're paying attention. And guess what? If you fuck up, they won't let you take any more gold surveys, which is your big money maker. So, pay attention. Take your time. Make some free money. Like, subscribe. Hit me in the comments below. And I will see you guys later. Y'all smile. Free money's coming your way. Thanks to Mr. Immaculate Eric and Subatomic Studios. Y'all have a beautiful day.